Here's my zipper, and it's a real problem because it won't come together. So if it goes back and forth like that, it's not coming together right. So my whole idea, I've never done this before, but I'm thinking, well, if I squeeze this thing together with my trusty vice grip, maybe it'll work. I'm going to go all the way back down to this thing like that. I'll squeeze it way in there. I'm going to this thing in there with my vice grip. I put a mark on here, so I'm just going to turn it a little bit at a time because it's. I would hate to ruin this thing because I like this wallet. So I'm just going to squeeze it a little bit. I'm going to take it in back. I'm going to squeeze it back here also. See, one idea with the vice grips, you can just have the same pressure because of this nut here. You have the same pressure. Turn it down a little bit more. It worked. Look at that. How about that? It actually worked. It's not perfect. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit more. Give it a little more squeeze. It seems like it needs a little bit more. I don't want to ruin this thing, because I do like this wallet. So it worked. How about that? It worked. Just like that. And it closes like that. Look at that. That's the whole trick. Just by squeezing this thing down, just by squeezing the side, it'll squeeze a little bit more. So I want to squeeze the inside also. It's working. Look at that. So I believe I fixed it. The first time I've ever done this before, and I'm a little surprised it actually worked. So it's really quite easy. I have a bit of soap here, so I think lubrication is pretty important. So I'm just going to rub that in there. And I'm sure there's a lot of different lubricant you need, olive oil, or I think there's some specific things you can buy. But I'm not too fussy. I just want it to work. I'll do it on the inside also, like that. So if you're just looking for a real fix, that's not a bad way of doing it. I'm making a bit of a mess here. I just want to get something done, you know. And I'll clean it up a little bit better. There it is. It works. And it seems to zip along pretty good. You probably use silicone, or whatever you got laying around. But nevertheless, there it is. And I'm happy with it. And I hope this video is useful to you. And the zipper is pretty easy. Just get some kind of lubrication in there, clean it. If it's dirty, you want to get a toothbrush or something to clean it up. but this is pretty clean anyhow, and then I made a bit of a mess here. Okay, you guys could leave a comment. Probably there's better ways of doing this, with it, especially with the lubricant, just this soap I got here. That's all I have right now, but nevertheless, I want it to work real quick, and my trusty Vise-Grip was a big help. So I hope this is useful for you. Thanks a lot. I'll see you later.